This video will be an unboxing, setup, and first thoughts on a Callsky 8-inch children's tablet. Okay, so I've used the Fire tablets for my girls for learning. I like them pretty good, but there's some things that are lacking, and after having set up an Android phone using parental controls, I decided I was going to try just an Android tablet. So I purchased this Callsky 8-inch tablet. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. And of course, as always, there'll be a link in the description to this product as well. And this is not a paid endorsement. This is just something I bought. But if anybody wants to send me some tablets for paid endorsements, I'll be willing to take a look at them. So right off the bat, it comes with the USB-C, I hope. Yeah, USB-C charging cable. Is that a charger? It's a big one. Okay, USB charger. Oh yeah. And this one actually comes with a... Oh my goodness, thing is stuck. This thing comes with a carrying handle, which is kind of neat. Of course, user guide. Let's just flip that over. All right, it's got the website right here. I'm going to leave that cover on there for right now. So this is kind of nice. Got the little handle to hold it. Guessing those are speaker outlets right there. Charging port. Oh, here we go. And does have a headphone jack, which is nice. And power on, volume up and down. So let's see if it's got any charge to it. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and peel that off, because that's going to be in the way. Maybe I won't peel it off. Okay, so I had to pull that back just a little bit to get to the deal here. Well, it looked like it's going to boot up. Did I accidentally hit the off button on it? We'll try it one more time, because I might have. Okay. All right, so let's go through the settings real quick. So English. I don't need to leave it like that. You know, I'm gonna go turn the light off. While I do this, so you can see the screen better. Maybe. All right, so it's gonna go through and have you set up the Wi-Fi. Okay, we're connected to the Wi-Fi. $1:43 on my watch as this is starting. I'll see if I catch how long it takes to actually get going here. Well, I thought that might auto-rotate. Nope. So if you have a Google account, you can have it copy over. I don't think I have one, so we're going to do don't copy. Don't have one for them. Child's going to be using it. Got it. I think I'm going to create a new account for this one. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Scroll, dummy. All right, let's go. Put in a name here. Then it's going to ask for basic information. Okay, next it's going to ask for us to create an email, and I'm not going to show you that for obvious reasons. After you find a usable username, create a password. Next, it's going to ask for the parent to sign in. So let me show from here. Okay, so your trust is our priority. Your child's Google account, Family Link. Family Link was the app I was trying to think of earlier. It's an awesome app, and like I said before, I actually prefer it over the Amazon Fire children's stuff. Respect others, be nice. There's how to contact them. Do you agree? Nope. Oh yeah, I do. Oh, I gotta check it. Okay, I agree. Now it's gonna ask for my password, and I think I just do forget and have it sent to my phone. And it's gonna ask for a code now. Oh, there's the text right there. 713362. It's one-time code, so I don't care if you see it. And I got two-factor authentication going on. So do that. By the way, anything you can put two-factor authentication on, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. So now I'm going to punch in another one-time use code. Enter. Continue. Turn on Ruby's activity. I don't know. I feel like I probably need to turn that off. Right now I'm going to leave it on. What do you think? Leave it off or on for a minor? All right, set up parental controls. And this is what I really, really like about this is you can go in and tell it what age group that they can download stuff with. Let me read this. Parental controls that filter adult and mature Play Store content are on. Parental approval is required for new purchases and downloads. It'll send you a message on your phone, and you can say yes or no if you want them to have it. Choose what Ruby can browse in the Play Store on compatible devices. She still needs your approval for new purchases or downloads unless they are from the family library. So anything that's going to cost money, they'll need. So do I want to restrict everyone or 10 plus? I think I'm going to do 10 plus. In this case, movies, I'm going to keep that at G. TV 14. I think I'm going to do TV 7. Okay. Filters on Google search. Filter. Yep, that's good. Hit next. Now it's going to update. All right, so now it's starting to download. Set up kicked space. Yes, that's kind of why I got this. So we're going to do that. Allow teacher approved. Their digital learning day, they use a lot of this stuff, and I've actually been pretty impressed with it. I think I'm going to leave it at that. Books, videos, recommended apps with in-app purchases. So I like this. I can go in and just tell it what websites it can go to, or just block quote-unquote mature sites, or allow all. I'm going to leave it on the most restrictive for now. We are about to go on vacation, so I'm not going to set any daily limits, but that'll change come school time. This is the summer, so between different vacations and doing stuff on the weekends and whatnot, I'm not going to really put up any daily limits for this right now, but during school, when school year starts back up, then this would be really handy to have it limited. I'm going to leave it open right now. And it's the same thing with downtime. I'm just going to leave it open for now. All right, so what do we want on here? Calculator, I guess, is okay. She actually kind of likes calendar. Contacts, Google Drive. I don't think I really want her using Google Drive. Gmail, she does not need that. Maps, Google Meet, definitely not. I think I'm going to remove that too. Photos, YouTube Kids, Team, Google TV, YouTube Music, camera. For now, I'll leave the camera on there. I don't want her having wireless emergency alerts. Find my device. That might come in handy. Permission details. All right. I'll probably leave that on. Next. Set up YouTube. Continue. Okay. We have used YouTube Kids before and honestly didn't like it. Tell me down there if you like YouTube Kids or regular YouTube. It'd be nice if you could do them both, but it doesn't look like you can do that. Oh, go back. All right, so I'm gonna leave it there. And I'm gonna do Explore. I think that's how we set up our other one. Hit next. Finish. All right, so it looks like we may have it set up now. And I may just pull this out for a separate video too. Again, I've been very impressed with Google's way of doing this so far versus the children's Fire tablet. Backup service data. I don't really care about that. I'm not going to back it up. Use location. I'm going to leave that on, but I'm hesitant. Accept. All right, we need to put a pin in here. All right, then make sure I'm still on the camera there. Hit next. Re-enter the pin. Confirm. I don't really want contacts. So here you can change wallpaper, control info, and lock screen, and all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna leave that alone for now. You can go back and access stuff later as well, should you want to change it, of course. Some of you may actually have more experience with this than I do, but I have a little bit, just a tiny bit of experience with it. Okay.
Welcome to Kid Space. Tap on at least 3 things you like.
Okay, so from here on out, I will have my daughter set all this stuff up. I've got a good idea of what she would like anyway.
Tap on some things you like.
But I'm going to leave it right here. So there you go. I like the idea of using an Android tablet for children. So I'll get her to set it all up, and then I'll finalize the video after that. So there you go. Okay, a quick wrap up on the tablet and also on Family Link. So the tablet ultimately ended up sending it back. We actually kind of need one that does data too, and this one does not do data. Now, of course, you can use your phone as a hotspot and share it and do all that kind of stuff. However, the tablet is perfectly fine. There was no issues with it. The speed is just fine. The resolution is great. Sound was great. Everything with the tablet is just as you would expect it to be. It's perfectly fine. Now for Family Link, we've been using that for a little while now, and oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. One of the things that I like about it is you can set screen time for the amount of time they spend on the device, and also you can tell it when to go offline. So for instance, if you want your children to go to bed at say 8 p.m., you can set it for 8 or maybe just like 7:45, So we'll go ahead and shut down a little bit before bedtime, and that has worked terrific. Two other features that we really like about the app is the remote lock. So should behavior not be acceptable, we can remotely lock the phone and correct the child with that. Hey, you don't get the phone back or the tablet back until you clean up your mess or whatever. And the other thing is the ability to locate the tablet or phone. It will show you the address that it's at, and then also you can have it ring, send out a tone, so you can physically go look for it. And that's been kind of nice. There's been a couple times it's ended up somewhere it's difficult to find, and with that feature, it makes it super easy. So yeah, that app I really like it. Family Link, I really like it, and the tablet again, tablet was perfectly fine. It just didn't do data, and we wanted one that would do data, so we ended up sending it back and going another route. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.